What's up, guys? So I have a Nissan 240SX. I have aero kit but unpainted. I'm getting ready to paint soon. So today I'm going to show you guys how I fix fiberglass. So here's my bumper. It's in 2 pieces and cracked all kinds of places. And side skirt and rear bumper is still on my car. I gotta bring 240 here. Today I'm using fiberglass resin and hardener and some fiberglass, masking tape and duct tape, scissors and plate. What's up, everyone? Just Saturday morning. I'm going to swap meet. Well, my van got broken into other day and lost all my tools. I mean everything from my van, but I need tools.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
We just got to, what is this called?
Some swap meet.
Swap meet.
Yeah, Reno would be all about it.
Yeah. Didn't know we were buying all that.
There's no guarantee in the tools, okay?
Huh?
No warranty.
Yeah.
No warranty, dog.
No warranty. Oh, you got Hot Wheels too?
No warranty.
No warranty.
Well, everybody, to coming down to take the material.
What?
I don't know.
What is this place?
The fire, dog. The fire. All right, dog. All right, Pepino, man. All right,
Thank you, Ross.
You're welcome. Thank you. Enjoy. Thank you.
Let's go.
Bomb.
super good, right, bro?
Yeah.
Little lime and cucumber can never go wrong.
Lime and cucumber.
Hot Cheeto elote and mangoñada.
Oh,
Fire, bro.
I gotta.
Cheetos. Oh my goodness.
I'm over here trying to look for tools I need. 10 mil. So I found more tools. Just few stuff. Trying to recover my tools I had.
Super good food, you know, local style stuff. Some Filipino goodies. And Kota ended up getting his tools. It's a good day, good little Saturday.
Yeah, good Saturday, y'all.
We're gonna go check out the new pad, bring Kota. This thing will be over here. Undisclosed location.
Undisclosed location. This is Gabe's new house. He's showing me the...
Checking out the garage.
Checking the garage.
See, bro? So I was
Got a
thinking...
3-car garage.
I was thinking like lift placement, put a lift like right here. So roof can sit right here, but then back will drop in right here. So I think it'd be pretty perfect.
I wonder why they have it that. Why they have.
How it lifts up. I like that. The step up.
Stopped at Temecula Valley Paint and bought most of the stuff I need. Alright, I gotta go head home. So today I'm painting an arrow. So finished repairing fiberglass. All broken bumpers in one piece now. While waiting for arrow to dry out, I put some resin. Gabe's kitchen over here.
Gonna make some little garlic bread, nothing crazy. Kota went to the store last night, dropped some money, got some food, so you know he showed me what ingredients he got, so about to whip up a little, little special. So we're gonna get the butter going. He got some bomb sourdough. So get the butter going, get the oven preheated. Let's go. Or you know what? Let's not go oven. We're going Main Street. We're gonna get this going. The air fryer. So we'll set it at 370, and then we're gonna go get this like little onion powder, little garlic powder, and then some onion powder, a little zest. You know what I'm saying? Something simple. Like I said, this is nothing crazy. We're not going for nothing like bomb here. It's just a little like get back to work type snack. You know, Kota's grinding right now, so gotta keep it fed, man. Alright. So let's go.
Body filler. Sand it down with DA roughly. Gonna shape it with the hand after. About to spray primer right now. The floor. I gotta wipe it with the wax and grease remover. body kit is painted and dry now. So I'll paint this today, and tomorrow I can put all this together. So I'm gonna sand it down with the 400 with DA. So I got everything washed and wiped it with the wax and grease remover. And these two taped it down so make sure it doesn't fall off. Paint mixed up. Pour it in, just get it done. Just finished up painting the under panels. So now all the arrows painted. What do you guys think about these flakes? If you like this iced out paint job, give this video a thumbs up. Help me put this under panel. It's kind of hard by myself.
It's already pre-holed. Pre-holed, man. That's so weird.
Huh?
I guess.
How's Good morning. We put arrow last night. My battery died, but damn, came out really good. Finally, it's in one color. When sun hits it, it's so good. But my car is really dirty, so I'm about to wash it and do some B-roll after. Andy gave me this, his Andy Tires big sticker, and we're putting it on the corner of the rear bumper.
You might.
Oh. Nice and slow.
Might have to let it sit in the sun.
Good. It's dope. And thanks for watching. See you next time.